Get fit with the healthiest exercise ever, the best exercise for a healthy lifestyle. Join me as I take on the challenge of getting fit with what's claimed to be the healthiest exercise ever. Can I stick with it and see real results? When we think about getting fit, we often think about complicated routines, expensive gym memberships, and hours of sweating it out on the treadmill. But what if I told you there's a simpler, more effective way to get in shape? Today, we're talking about the healthiest exercise ever, and I'm excited to dive in and explore its benefits. Getting fit isn't just about aesthetics. It's about feeling good, both physically and mentally. When we exercise regularly, we're not just burning calories. We're improving our mood, energy levels, and overall health. And that's why it's crucial to find an exercise that we enjoy, something that we can stick with in the long run. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with conflicting fitness advice, it can be overwhelming to figure out what works best for our bodies. But one thing is certain. We need to find a routine that we can maintain, something that becomes a sustainable part of our lifestyle. Many of us face the same obstacles when it comes to sticking with a fitness routine. We lead busy lives, and it's easy to push exercise to the back burner when we're short on time. Others struggle with motivation, feeling like they're not seeing results quickly enough. And let's be honest, some of us just get bored with the same old routine. Time constraints are a major hurdle for many of us. We have work, family, and social commitments that leave us with little time for exercise. And when we do manage to squeeze in a workout, it's often rushed, leaving us feeling like we're not getting the most out of it. Lack of motivation is another common challenge. We start strong, full of enthusiasm, but as the days turn into weeks, our motivation begins to wane. We miss a day or two, and before we know it, we're back to square one. For others, it's the sheer intimidation factor that holds them back. We see fitness models and athletes on social media, and it's easy to feel like we don't measure up. We think we need to be a certain size or shape before we can start exercising, and that's just not true. Some of us have tried various exercise routines only to get bored or injured. We might start with high-intensity interval training, only to realize that it's not for us. We try yoga, but our flexibility isn't what it used to be. We struggle to find an exercise that we enjoy, something that makes us want to keep coming back for more. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to exercise. What works for one person might not work for another. But what if I told you there's an exercise that's been proven to be effective for people of all ages, shapes, and sizes? When it comes to exercise, there are so many options out there. We have cardio, strength training, flexibility exercises, and everything in between. But if I had to narrow it down to one exercise that I believe is the healthiest, I would have to say it's swimming. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that's easy on the joints. It's perfect for people who are recovering from injuries or dealing with chronic pain. Plus, it's a great way to improve cardiovascular health without feeling like we're going to die. One of the biggest benefits of swimming is its ability to engage multiple muscle groups at once. We're not just working our arms or legs, we're working our entire body. And because it's a low-impact exercise, we can do it regularly without feeling fatigued. Swimming is also an amazing way to improve flexibility. As we move through the water, we're stretching our muscles, increasing our range of motion, and reducing stiffness. And because it's a low-impact exercise, we can do it even when we're feeling tired or sore. But one of the most significant benefits of swimming is its impact on our mental health. Exercise has long been linked to improved mood, reduced anxiety, and even reduced symptoms of depression. And swimming is no exception. I remember when I first started swimming regularly. I was going through a tough time, and I was struggling to find the motivation to exercise. But something about being in the water just clicked. It was like I had finally found my happy place. As I continued to swim, I started to notice changes in my body. I had more energy, my skin looked better, and I was sleeping more soundly. But it was the mental benefits that really blew me away. I felt more confident, more relaxed, and more at peace. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but I don't know how to swim, or I'm not comfortable in the water. And I get it. Learning to swim can be intimidating. But trust me, it's worth it. I've seen people of all ages learn to swim, from children as young as 5 to adults in their 80s. It's never too late to start, and it's never too early to begin. The breakthrough moment for me was when I realized that swimming wasn't just about physical health. It was about mental well-being, too. When I'm in the water, I feel like I'm exactly where I'm meant to be. It's like my body and mind are working in harmony. I want to encourage you to give swimming a try, even if you're skeptical. Find a local pool, take a lesson or two, and see how you feel. I promise you, it's life-changing. In conclusion, the healthiest exercise ever is swimming. It's low impact, engaging, and amazing for our mental health. It's something we can do at any age, and it's something that can be adapted to our fitness level. So let's make a commitment to prioritize our health and fitness, starting with the healthiest exercise ever, swimming. Let's get fit, feel good, and live our best lives. What's your favorite exercise? Have you tried swimming before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more fitness tips and routines.